Here I have VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow-mo, and by tapping here you can change its speed here at the FPS. So like the higher FPS, the lower will be the speed of slow-mo. So like when you record in 120 FPS it will be like somewhat slow, but when you record in 480 FPS it will be like extremely slow. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.